Hello and welcome to this video of what is data science. So in this video we will talk about what is data science. So this is the content which we will discuss in this video. First of all, what is data? Then what is data science? Why do business need data science? How does data science create value for firms? How does data science work? Why choose data science for your career? Top 9 roles in the world of data science for 2022. Build your career in data science with Vista Academy. So, what is data? Data is defined as fact or figures or information that stores in or used by computer or data server. Data can be structured or unstructured. Data is basically stored in computers or in cloud or in servers in different forms. It can be in the forms of your files, it can be in the forms of images, in programs like your PDF and anything that can be a data. Sound, like in a form of sound also. So data, a new oil for economy. As we know, the role of data is increasing day by day. Like more people are using computers, laptop, and a lot of things can be done with that. So data is everywhere. So we can call it data a new oil for economy. So it drives economy. Now we will understand the definition of data science. The simplest definition of data science is the extraction of actionable insight from raw data. That means, like when data is extracted and it is well filtered and well organized, then it can be used for some useful information can be derived from it. A lot of data is an asset to any organization, but only if it is processed efficiently. So data is asset when it is processed efficiently. The need for storage grew multifold when we entered the age of big data. So in the world of big data, data is increasing day by day. So the role of data scientist is increasing also. Why business need data science? One of the advantage of data science is that organization can find when and where their products sell best. So they will know more about from where they can sell their products. This can help derive the right products at the right time and can help companies develop new products to meet their customer needs. So according to data, they can invent new product, they can customize product, they can find what are the customer trends and play with the data and finding something useful from that. Why business need data science? So these are some of the points which we can discuss here, like delivering relevant product. What product the customer need, providing that customer such products, mitigating risk frauds like in banking sectors and online frauds. So that can be we can restrict such frauds. We can minimize as much as possible such fraud. Personalized customer experience, and you're finding how does data science create value for firms. So what value they give to the business, finding technologies and method should we use to store, analyze and share our data. So finding new technologies, finding skills and roles to do we need within our data science team, what roles people will do, how should we position our data science team within the organization, and some more like plan and manage data science projects, compare companies X in the industry with Y for finding what can be implemented in our case. So they will analyze two companies and find what can be done with that data, and how we can go further, and how can we increase our business and our services, identifying opportunities, finding new opportunities, what are the trends, how we can give more services and benefit people. Now, how does data science work? So, what is the process where like data science work in an organization? First of all, ask the right question to begin the discovery process. They have to understand the company well, what are their objectives, and finding the right question to be asked. Acquire data. They have to acquire data. Process: data mining, clustering, classification, data modeling, data summarization. These are the some things which data scientists have to do. Integrate and store data. Initial data investigation and explore data analysis. Communicate. They have to communicate by preparing data reporting, data visualization, business intelligence, decision making. Analyze. They have to analyze exploratory, confirmatory, predictive analysis, regression, text mining, qualitative analysis. All these things should be done as a data scientist. Why choose data science for your career? So, this is an important question. First of all, we have to know it is in high demand. Data science is greatly in demand. Prospective job seekers have many opportunities. It is fast growing job on LinkedIn and is predicted to create 11.5 million jobs by 2026. So there is a lot of jobs which will be coming in this field. So be ready for that field so that you can have hand on a good career. A lot of positions, there are very few people who have the required skill set to become a complete data scientist. This makes data science less saturated as compared with other IT sectors. So if you compare it with other IT sectors, it is still not yet so much like people there have the skills to work as a data scientist. So still a lot of opportunities in this field, and so people can try and find a very good career prospects. Salaries, according to pay scale, average data scientist income in India varies depending on where they work. Like according to the cities, their salary varies because more opportunities in the south side, in South India, like in Mumbai, you can earn up to 7,88,789. Chennai, Pune, somewhere around the same salary is somewhere around 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs, and with experience your salary will increase. You can up to 10 lakh, 20 lakh, whatever. There is no like sky is the limit in data science. Changing working environment, like these are the reasons like data science is coming. The future workplace is being shaped by data science. More and more routine and manual codes are being mechanized thanks to artificial intelligence and robotics. Because of artificial intelligence and robotics, most of the jobs are now like mechanized. So repetitive jobs are not there in future. So new type of jobs will be created in the market, and one of them is data science. As people talk on more critical thinking and problem solving roles, data science technically have made it easier to educate robots to perform repetitive jobs. So data scientists have to train the robots and machines to do tasks, certain tasks, which generally you are done by the human being at the moment. So those jobs will be like extinct in future, and that will be done with the help of robots and machines. And data science play a crucial role in giving instructions to machine to do such jobs. Increasing product quality, data scientists play a crucial role as trusted advisor and strategic partner to management. So he have to be with the manager and advising them for creating new products, making innovations, product delivery, services. In every sphere they are required in company. They look for relevant information in the data that might help them improve their specialty, determine their desired target audience, and plan future marketing and growth initiatives. Interesting job roles. Human behavior is the primary focus of data science. Yes. So they will focus on human behavior through the data what people are putting on internet, on through mobiles, laptop, and different technologies. So as a data scientist, you will largely be worked on how human operate for designing a chat box to evaluate user experience online. They will design chat box also, and finding out how is the user experience, how user are finding it very interesting or not. Extensive job experience. You will be able to work on variety of Greeky projects ranging from e-commerce enterprises to startups to production companies to renewable energies to traffic optimization. There are a lot of roles of data science. You can even find the roles in government offices also, because government also need data to provide its services to public. Data science improves data. Data science are needed by business to process and evaluate their data. They not only analyze but also improve the quality of data. As a result, data science is concerned with enriching data and making it more useful to their businesses. So they are helping companies to make data more useful for company, finding the insight from it, and that's a very tricky job. It's just not only learning the tools, it's also using your skills, and beside that using your uh, analytical skills to finding the right data and using for it for companies. Position in abundance. Only a few people possess all of the necessary skill to become full-fledged data scientists. As a result, data science is less saturated than other IT areas. So, in comparing to other IT's areas, data science is still not yet so much like people are doing the course in it. Not only is there a high demand for data scientists, but the type of jobs available are also plenty. There are many roles in the field of data science. So, top 9 roles in the world of data science for 2022. So, we will discuss them one by one. Job role in data science: data analyst, data engineer, database administrator, machine learning engineer, data scientist, data architect, statistician, business analyst, data and analytic manager. So these are some of the roles which you can get as a data scientist. So there are different names given to data science. First of all is data analyst. Who are data analysts? Data analysts are responsible for a variety of tasks including visualization, munging, and processing of massive amount of data. They also have to perform queries on the database for time to time. One of most important skill of a data analyst is optimization of resources in the company. How to become a data analyst? You should know SQL, R, SAS, Python are some of the skills, technologies for data analysis. So certification in these can easily give boost to your job application. If you are looking for job as a data analyst, you should know SQL, R, SAS, Python, and some other tools are also there. You should know. Data engineers. Data engineer build and test scalable big data ecosystem for business so that the data scientists can run their algorithms on the data system that are stable and highly optimized. So they build an ecosystem where data scientists can work. How to become a data engineer? If you're interested in a career as a data engineer, then technologies that require hand-on experience include Hive, SQL, R, Ruby, Java, C++, and MATLAB. A database administrator, like its job description, fairly self-described. What is the data administrator? Is it is basically they are responsible for the proper operation of all the enterprise databases and give or restrict services to corporate person based on their needs. So according to the needs of the person, they can give access to data to different people who are handling the data within the organization with their roles and their responsibilities given to certain persons. Machine learning engineers are expected to do A/B testing, design data pipelines, and implement common machine learning algorithms. Knowledge of powerful technologies such as SQL, REST, APIs, and so on are needed if you like to be a machine learning engineer. How to become a machine learning engineer? To begin, you must have thorough understanding of some of the technologies such as Java, Python, and JS. Second, you must have a solid understanding of statistics and mathematics. So these skills are required to become a machine learning engineer. Next is your data scientist. For example, they are expected to undertake predictive analysis and go through unstructured or disorganized data with a fine filter in order to provide actionable insight. So they get the unstructured data and they will filter it and clear it and find out something useful from it and visualize them and make it visualizable and then present it so that something can be extracted from the data which is helpful. They can also do so by spotting trends and patterns that might aid business in making better judgments. So business can make judgment according to that data. How to become a data scientist? You must be proficient in R, MATLAB, SQL, Python, and other complementary technologies in order to work as a data scientist. If you have high degree in mathematics or computer engineering, it can also help. It will help you to understand data well. Data architect. A data architect builds data management plans so that database may be readily connected, consolidated, and safeguarded with the greatest security method possible. A data architect builds data management plans so that database may be readily connected, consolidated, and safeguarded with the security method possible. So this is the same line which is repeated here. So they create an architect for database. Expertise in what are the become a data architect? Expertise in data warehousing, data modeling, extraction, transformation, and loan ETL and others area is required for a job in data architect. You should also be familiar with Hive, Pig, and Spark, among other things. Statisticians. Through knowledge of statistical theory and data organization, they not only extract and provide significant insight from data cluster but also assist engineers in developing new approaches. So they are have knowledge of technology also with statics. Statistical must have strong interest in reasoning. They are also proficient in range of database system including SQL, data mining, and machine learning. Business analyst. They do have good understanding of how data-oriented technology work and how to handle large volume data. They also separate the high value data from low value data. In other words, they identify how big data can be linked to actionable business insight for business growth. How to become business analyst? They should have an understanding of business finance and business intelligence, also the technologies like data modeling, data visualization tools, etc. Data science demands in industry, they are required in different industry. It doesn't mean like data scientists are required just in IT sector, they will be required in different industries. Like first of all, we will understand like in banking. So in banking, from fraud detection, lending and loan appraisal management, risk modeling, securing and managing customer data, lifetime value prediction, customer segment, algorithmic trading, media and entertainment, customer sentiment analysis, hyper targeted advertising, personalized content, experience, real time analytics, optimized medical media scheduling. So, like in this field, like Netflix is doing the same thing. They recommend you according to your choices, the videos or movies which you like. So, that's all what Facebook and like your Netflix is doing. Healthcare. In healthcare, like drug discovery, recognize health risk and recommending prevention plan, diagnosis of diseases, delivering more precise prescription and customized care, post-care monitoring, hospital operations. So all field is requiring. In retail, analyze people past searches and purchases and help them find relevant product. Create recommendation and personalization system. Analyze customer behavior and market insight. Improve customer experience through predictive analytics. Telecommunication. Make personalized offer to customer, allocate network resources, order predictive maintenance, ensure smarter network deployment, allow optimization and predictive maintenance of network, detect fraudulent activities, product innovations. So in telecommunication, they are also required. Similarly, in automobile industry, enhancing vehicle safety with cognitive IoT, decrease repair cost, create and manage schedules more efficiently, improve production line performance, identify, detect in product produced component using predictive maintenance. So such things are in different fields why data scientists are required. So build your career in data science with us. So what we will help you, we will give you guarantee of placement, like we will assist you how to find a job, live classes and dedicated mentor, hand-on practical exposure, recruiter partnership with us, average salary hike, career transformation for you. We have already transformed many careers. An industry expert which will guide you how to become a data scientist and how you will get a job in the market. So if you are interested, you can call the number or you can visit our website for that.